If it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our season of dressings and sauces. So we're in the holiday season and we're in Hanukkah right now. So I thought, wow, I'm gonna get up this morning at 5:30 and I'm gonna smoke a brisket on my Traeger. And guess what? I did. And now I'm like, okay, well, since we're doing sauces, I got to come up with a sauce for it. So today, since it's Hanukkah, we're going to do a Hanukkah-inspired barbecue sauce to go with this brisket. Are you ready? Then let's do it. All right. So I'm starting with 1 cup of Worcestershire sauce that we're adding to our pot. And we're going to add 1 cup of ketchup. Now we're going to add, because it's Hanukkah, so we're adding 2 cups of Manischewitz wine. And then to that, we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Now, normally I would add 2 cups of brown sugar, but since we're doing our inspired version, I'm replacing a cup of sugar with some dried fruit. So I'm replacing each with 1/3 of a cup of raisins. You can use any kind you want. I've got 1/3 of a cup of apricots and 1/3 of a cup of fig. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Ooh. How come I don't see any smoke? All right, so our sauce has come to a boil. So now we're going to reduce it down to low, and we're going to let that simmer until it's reduced and thickened, just like a sauce should be. While we're waiting for our sauce to simmer and thicken, I thought now would be a great time to do my favorite and your favorite segment, What's Joe Drinking? Well, since it's Hanukkah, and I remember as a little kid, lots of old people drinking whiskey sours, I thought, well, what a great time to do a New York sour. So it's like a whiskey sour. I'm using bourbon. I'm using simple syrup, fresh lemon juice, the egg whites. But what makes it really cool is you add a teaspoon of float of red wine. Cheers. So as you can see, our sauce has been thickened and reduced, and I think it's done. So I think we're ready to plate. So we've plated our brisket with our potato latke, and I have this delicious matzo ball soup that my wife made. And now we just need to put our great barbecue sauce on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Put a little parsley on. So happy Hanukkah. I hope you all stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And if it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Bye.